Let's go to our questionnaire. You can move among the questions with forth and back arrows. Questions are separated into numbered cards, and you can navigate between questions using the forward and back arrows or the numbers. The label of the question will appear red when it's not completed, yellow when it's partially completed, light blue when it's completed. The Save button will save your survey answers and move on to the next plot. Flag plot is used when a survey question can't be answered, but we advise to never use it. Clear all erases all your survey question answers. The Quit button brings you back to the home page. Cards 1 and 2 contain the questions related to the land use and land use change for the centroid. It is a categorical classification based on the majority. The land use, which covers the biggest area in the 1 hectare centroid, gets classified. Cards 3, 4, 5, and 6 contain questions related to the land use and land use change for the whole hexagon. Those are based on a quantitative estimation of the proportion of the area of the hexagon falling into each main land use or land use change class. Let's start the classification. From the geodash and on Mapbox, we can already see that this plot is stable forest in an area with natural vegetation without human interference. The first question is Land Use 2024 in the 1 hectare square centroid. Our Sentinel-2 mosaics shows forest. It looks like a natural forest, not a plantation, so we'll select naturally regenerating forest, stocked forest, because there are trees higher than 5 meters and with more than 10% of canopy cover. For presence of pastoralism, if we don't have any ground knowledge of the area, and we don't see any signs hinting at the presence of animals from the satellite imagery, such as small roads and nearby infrastructure like fences and water ponds, we will put no. The second question is about the land use changes in the centroid. We don't see any land use change from the geodash. It looks like stable forest in all periods. So we'll select stable forest and stable stalked for all 3 periods. Now for the questions for the whole hexagon. In this case, the full hexagon is also covered by forest, so the land use 2024 will be 100% forest and 0 for all the other land uses. For questions 4, 5, and 6, we have the land use changes in the whole hexagon for the 3 different periods of analysis. We can see in the geodash that the hexagon is 100% stable forest in all periods of analysis, so we will put 100% stable forest in each question and 0 for the other classes. When all questions are completed, the Save button in the bottom becomes active. When you click on it, the project goes automatically to the next plot.